Hi there, I'm Mary Beauchamp, and I want to personally invite you to join me on my 5-day keto challenge. During the challenge, I'm going to give you all the tools you need so that you will be able to produce ketones in just 5 days. That is my promise to you. During the challenge, you will have an email from me every day explaining exactly what you need to do that day. I do not want you to be confused about what to do. This does not have to be difficult, and I believe that this is the most powerful strategy for reversing metabolic syndrome and insulin resistance. So whether you're wanting to try the keto diet because you want to improve your energy, maybe you want to lose weight, maybe you are looking for more mental clarity, perhaps you want to heal your digestive tract, perhaps you have an autoimmune condition, whatever the case is for you, I'm going to help you to achieve the goal of getting into ketosis. That is my promise. So find the link on this page, and I hope to see you on the inside.